During tough economic times and high unemployment, families may struggle to pay their bills. As a man, especially if you have a family to support, you should take the lead and face the bill collectors when your debts become delinquent. The following ideas may be practical enough to help you negotiate new repayment terms. Number 1. Make a list of bills. Sit down and make a list of all of your debts. List the name of the creditor in a column and the amount owed to each beside the name of the creditor. Everything from bank loans and charge accounts to money owed to friends and family should be on your list. When you look at the list, don't let the amount of your debt discourage you. Feelings of discouragement, worry, and anxiety will not help you fix your debt problems. But your list of debt, if kept in the right perspective, can help you crystallize your goals and motivate you into action. Number 2. Make a new list of the same debts. Now that you have a list of all your debts in front of you, the next step is to make another list of these same bills. However, this time organize your list from smallest to largest. For instance, if you have debts ranging from $300 to $10,000, the $300 debt should be at the top of your list. Number 3. Determine what you can pay. After making a list of your debts, beginning with the smallest debt at the top and the largest at the bottom, record the normal monthly payment amount next to the total due on each respective bill. Now take a look at your household budget. Decide what you can comfortably afford to pay each creditor and write that amount next to the normal monthly payment. This amount will be used when you contact creditors to renegotiate your debts. We will call this your modified debt repayment plan. Number 4. Contact your creditors. Take the initiative to contact your creditors to explain your financial situation. When you contact them, ask to speak with a supervisor or manager. This is critical because the authority to approve any leniency on a past due account will probably be reserved for supervisors and managers. When you get the manager on the phone, be clear that you would like to continue honoring the original terms of your credit agreement, but unforeseen financial pressures like a job layoff, divorce, doctor bills have prevented you from doing so. Number 5. Offer a new repayment plan. When you make contact with your creditors, be prepared to offer an alternative debt repayment plan. For instance, if your original credit terms required a payment of $100 per month and your budget can now handle a payment of only $25 per month, simply tell the creditor what you can pay. Remember, you are seeking favorable treatment in a situation where you have already signed a credit contract that is legally binding, so be humble but firm. If the manager or supervisor is unwilling to negotiate, do not get discouraged and do not allow intimidation tactics to frighten you. Just continue to seek higher-level management personnel until you reach someone who is willing to negotiate. If your debt problems are with a car loan or furniture account, the creditor may be especially receptive to working with you to avoid repossession. They will probably work with you because they would like to avoid the additional costs of repossessing and trying to resell a used product. Number 6. Use escrow money to pay mortgage. If you're having problems paying your home mortgage, temporary relief may be as simple as contacting your mortgage company and requesting the use of any excess money in your escrow account. The escrow account holds money collected by the mortgage company from the homeowner each month to cover the estimated costs of taxes and hazard insurance. If the amount collected to cover these expenses was overestimated, you may be allowed to apply that money toward paying your past due house note. You can also ask the manager if you may be allowed to only pay the interest-only portion of your home mortgage for a few months until you can afford to make the normal mortgage payment. This can be critical to your financial survival because the interest-only portion may be less than half of your regular mortgage payment. The interest-only payment option may be effectively used for auto loans as well, so if things get tight, contact your bank or auto finance company and ask if you can pay the interest portion of your car note for a few months instead of the full payment. If they agree to this, your credit rating may be protected while you work to get your finances back in order. Number 7. Confirm new payment terms. As you complete negotiations with your creditors, follow up your telephone conversation with an email or letter addressed directly to the person who helped you renegotiate your new payment terms. In your email or letter, you should restate your new terms and thank the person for help in resolving your problem. Be sure to include the date and time of the telephone conversation. In the process of reaching your goal of financial freedom, you may need to initially cut back on your standard of living. This may include keeping an older car instead of buying a new one. It may also require you to sell off assets that may be draining your finances, such as a motorhome, vacation property, luxury SUV, or party boat. You may even need to sell your home and move into an apartment if the home becomes a financial burden instead of an asset. I know some of these measures may sound extreme, but if it's your heartfelt conviction to become debt-free, you should consider my suggestions in light of what's your current situation. Number 8. Call a consumer credit counseling service. If your creditors are unwilling to negotiate, contact a not-for-profit consumer credit counseling service in your area or online. The counseling service will have the experience and connections to negotiate a 3 to 5 year debt repayment plan that may also reduce or eliminate interest you would normally be charged on your outstanding balances. But stay away from debt consolidation companies that charge big fees to help you get out of debt. Some of them make unrealistic promises that may be illegal. On the other hand, if the consumer credit counseling service charges a fee, it will be nominal, and they have a reputation for getting results and offering education that could help you avoid recurring money problems. For more information, do an online search to locate an office near you. Lesson summary: basic keys to paying off debt. Number 1, make a list of bills. Number 2, make a new list of the same debts. Number 3, determine what you can pay. Number 4, contact your creditors. Number 5, offer a new repayment plan. Number 6, use escrow money to pay bills. Number 7, confirm new payment terms. Number 8, call a consumer credit counseling service. This marriage success lesson is an excerpt from the book Overcoming Pitfalls to Marriage Success by Dr. David Stevens.